You guys, I want you to stop talking. I'm trying to get you guys in your groups and settle down. Okay, class, let's get into our groups and be perfectly fine and quiet. Please line up with the fire your arm. It's not like we didn't have these drills before. Ugh. Okay, we hear you. You don't have to be so loud, teacher. I don't like this little system. I haven't even exited the building. I'm going back to my classroom.
Oh, clear. Oh, clear. Oh, clear. Sorry, we had a sorry, our PA was broken. All clear. This was just a drill.
See, what is so bad about a stupid drill? Well,
Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown barricade, active shooter.
What?
Lockdown barricade, active shooter. This is not a drill. This is the principal speaking. Lockdown barricade, active shooter in the building. Please get under desks, turn off lights and close blinds and barricade doors. Lockdown barricade, active shooter.
oh my god.
This is not a drill.
Oh my god. There can't be no such thing. What is that?
Open the door.
Oh my god. What is happening? Are you serious? Oh my god. What is happening? Sean, I told you, gotta take this stuff seriously. I took it serious as Broughton.
Hey, put the gun down now. Police department. Police department. Put the gun down. You will be shot. Put officer down. Officer down. You're on the other side, right?
Jacob, I don't think this is funny. Stop, Jacob. You're making so much noise. Jacob.
Open the door. You will be shot.
This guy is crazy. Sean, what are you doing? We need to find zero ground. Oh my god. He's out there. Oh!